Welcome to the challenge problem. How many eyes, mouths, and legs do the tigers have all together? Let me share my thinking with you about how I solved this problem. First, I found a picture of the tiger. I looked to see how many eyes the tiger had. I counted 2. Then I looked for the mouth. I saw 1. Next, I looked at the tiger to find out how many legs he had. I see here he has 1, here is 2, right back here is number 3. And then I see this thigh here, and I'm saying that is number 4. Although really I do know that most cats have 4 legs. Now my question is, when I know that one cat has 2 eyes, 1 mouth, and 4 legs, if I add them up, what do I have all together? If I find out all the information about one tiger, I think it will help me solve the problem of how many parts 7 tigers have. So, if I add 2 eyes plus 1 mouth, I know that is 3. And if I add 4 legs to that, because I know my basic facts, I know that that equals 7. So, that means that the tiger has 7 parts, all together. Now that I know that one tiger has 7 parts, I'm going to solve this problem. I'm going to add the 7 parts from tiger 1 to the 7 parts of tiger 2 and add another tiger, tiger 3. I know now that I can see that 7 parts from one tiger plus 7 parts from the second tiger plus 7 parts from the third tiger equals 21 parts altogether. I think there must be an easier way to do this. So instead of every time I need a tiger having a picture, I'm going to do a quick draw, a shortcut. I'm going to make sure that 1x equals 1 tiger. So will the answer be the same? 1 tiger equals 7 parts. So with an X now representing the tiger, that tiger still has 7 parts, and the third tiger still has 7 parts. And so even though I've taken a shortcut of using X's, I still have 21 parts altogether. But that's not enough. I need to find out how many parts are in 7 tigers. I'm checking my thinking. I really want to make sure with all these tigers that I have figured it out correctly. It looks pretty good. Every tiger has the same amount. 2 eyes, 1 mouth, 4 legs. So, how did I figure this out? 1, 2, 3, 4 tigers. 5, 6, 7. So I have the right amount of tigers. And I knew that every tiger had 7 parts. Well, I decided to make my work a little bit easier. And so I'm going to add up first 4 of the tigers. And I know my doubles, so I know 7 plus 7 equals 14. And I know this is 7 plus 7, and that equals 14. And I know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. And I know that 110 plus 110 equals 2 tens. So then I went down and I had a double here, which was 14. And I know my basic facts. So I know 7 plus 4 equals 11. And that gave me another 10. So that's how I came up with 21. But I also had already figured that out before. So I just did this to check my thinking, just to make sure. So I have 3 tigers have 21 parts altogether. So when I added the 4 tigers above and the 3 tigers below, I went to the ones place first, because you always start by adding or subtracting from the ones place. And I saw that 8 plus 1 was 9. And then I went to the tens place. And I saw 2 tens plus 2 10 equals 4 tens. I think I've got it. So here is my answer. 7 tigers. 7 tigers have 49 eyes, mouths, more than one, and legs all together. I think that's the answer. Did you get that answer? So go to our forum and think, how are you going to explain how you solve the problem? I can't wait to see.